the fabrics I needed. So I have 3 long pieces of fabrics, and the measurement is 38 inches by 5 inches. Then I have that small one over there, and that measurement is 5 inches by 7 inches. So this is the fabric you need to create your braided headband. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to fold each of the fabrics together and sew it. So after sewing, I'm going to turn turn it inside out and then start filling it up. So let's just go straight into the video. So I've turned the 3 fabrics inside out, and after turning them, I just sewed them together over here, and I'm holding it down so I can insert the wool. And I also turned this one as well inside out. So this is the wool I'm going to be using. I'm going to insert a link of it in the description box below. I bought it from Amazon, so you can use it in flame toys and other craft works. So I'm going to start inserting it into the fabric. So I've completed inserting the foam into the 3 pieces. Here you have it. 3 pieces has been done. So now look at the ends to the ends. It has been filled up. So what I'm going to do now is try and hold it down here if it's going to hold. Then I'll start braiding. So like you do a normal braid, that's how you're going to do it. So like this. Like this. So when you get to this end, you're going to sew it together. So because it's becoming too full, I need to take this out, and then so I can sew it down. So let me sew it down and I'll get to you. This is it. I've sewed this part, and this was the first part I sewed, and this part I've sewed it now. So what I'm going to do now is to attach both ends together to create a circle, and we're almost done with our braided headband. It's looking so cute already. I like the color. I can't wait to finish it. So let me pin this down and sew it. I like the way it's looking. It's cute, right? Okay, let's go on. After stitching this part together, so now you've completely joined your braided headband. So the next step, you see I just stitched it with a black thread so that you guys can see it. So don't worry about this rough part, you can easily cover it up, and that's what we're going to do next. So you remember that pieces we cut aside? Now all you have to do is to run a straight stitch down it and then turn it over. So this like this. So after turning it over, we're going to use it to cover up this particular half of the braided headband. So what you're going to do is to bring it like this and then sew it. So you can either use your thread and needle or you use your machine. So I'm going to use the machine and sew it together like this, and I'll be back. Okay, so like so, you're going to run a straight stitch down here. So now I just finished sewing it with the sewing machine, and now I'm just going to trim it a little bit to give it like a good edge. Like so. And now that I've done that, all that's left for me to do is to turn it over and cover up that stitch. So just give it a little time and gently turn it over. Yep. So I'm taking the sewed end inside so that you can see it outside. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just taking it inside and then spread it out a little bit and spread it this way. So this is it. So to keep it firm, you can either glue it down or use a needle and thread to hold it together. So I'm going to be using a needle and thread to keep it firm in one position so that it doesn't keep on moving around. Okay. So you need to do like an invisible stitch. So this is the end of the video. So this is the headband. It has been completed. It's looking so beautiful. I love it. I love it. It's so nice. So our mannequin is not wearing any wig. Let's see if it wears a wig, if it's gonna be better. But this is it, and I really love how it looks. Big and bold, bright colors for the summer. It's so lovely, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share, like and comment down below. Till my next video. See you guys and God bless. Bye bye.